everyone. Today we will discuss about types of chemical reaction. There are different types of reactions based on the chemical properties of different molecules and compounds. So let's start. First reaction is a combination reaction. This reaction also called as synthesis reaction. Now, what is combination reaction? When two or more elements or compounds bond together to form a single substance is called combination or synthesis reaction. Examples are silver reacts with oxygen to form silver oxide, carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, or it may form carbon monoxide, depends on the composition of elements. So in this reaction, combination reaction, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. You can see the picture here. Three different atoms of the same elements get combined with the central atom to form the compounds AB3 type. So this is synthesis reaction. Single product will form. Here reaction of hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. 2H2 reacts with one molecule of oxygen to give two molecules of H2O. This is a combination type of reaction, synthesis type of reaction. Second type of reaction is a decomposition. Decompose means breakdown. When a single compound or a single molecule decomposes into two or more products, two or more simple substance, that is called as a decomposition reaction. In this reaction, different sources we can use to decompose the reactor. We can use light, we can use heat, or we can use the electricity to decompose the reactor to form different products. See the equation. AB decompose into its constituent product A plus B. One more example is given downside. Potassium chlorate, KClO3. It will be break down as a KCl and oxygen molecules will be separate out. This is a decomposition reaction. Breakdown of single reactant molecule into two or more different products. Next example, H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. It will be decomposed into water and oxygen molecules when we provide heat in presence of catalyst. So this is decomposition reaction. Now the next reaction is a displacement type of reaction. You can see the picture. The single element will displace the element present in the another compound. Now how this reaction takes place, it is based on the reactivity of elements. If it is more reactive than the element or the reactant present in compound, then it can displace. It will be occurs in metals as well as non-metals also, displacement reaction. Next is the double displacement reaction. Double displacement means here in between both the reactant molecules, elements or ions get exchanged to form the compound. You see example, sodium sulfate reacts with barium chloride to form barium sulfate and sodium chloride. What it means? Here sodium is a positive ion of the first reactant and chloride is the negative ion of second reactant molecule. So it binds with the sodium to form sodium chloride. So there is double displacement, exchange of ions between both the reactant molecules. Next is example of double displacement reaction. Silver nitrate reacts with potassium chloride to form silver chloride and potassium nitrate. See there, silver chloride state is written solid state, means in this reaction it will form precipitate. So this is a type of double displacement reaction in which precipitate is formed. Precipitate means insoluble substance present in the reaction which will not get dissolved into the solvent. Precipitation. One more example of double displacement reaction is neutralization. Here also exchange of ion takes place. You can see NaCl, common salt is formed by reaction of NaOH and HCl. Here also exchange of ions, Na, then OH minus ion, it will form NaCl on combining with HCl. But it is not a precipitation reaction, it is called neutralization reaction. Because here neutral salt we will get. In this reaction, salt and water are product, not the precipitate, not the solid will form. So this is another type of double displacement reaction. So we will see the summary of all the types of reaction. Number one, we have discussed combination, that is reaction between two or more reactants to form single product. Second, decomposition reaction, single reactant break down into the two or more products, that is decomposition reaction. Then combination reaction can also be combustion type when the reaction is given with the hydrocarbons and oxygen. When hydrocarbon burn, it gives CO2 and H2O. Then neutralization reaction is a type of double displacement. Displacement reaction in which highly reactive element displace the less reactive one. So this is all about the types of reaction. Thank you.